I am Father Dion, the Post-Catholic Chaplain of the Headquarters and Headquarters Support Group of the Philippine Army. And this is Salita ng Diyos, ang ating gabay. Today is Saturday, July 5, 2025, of the 13th week in Ordinary Time. In today's first reading, taken from the book of Genesis, we see the story of Jacob deceiving his father Isaac to receive the blessing meant for his brother. It is a painful reminder that when you pursue blessings the wrong way, through lies or shortcut, it may bring temporary gain but lasting regret. God still worked through Jacob later, but the cost of deception was high. In today's gospel reading, taken from the Gospel of Matthew, Jesus speaks about new wine in fresh wineskins. He is telling us that when we want to follow Him, we must allow our hearts to be renewed. We cannot hold on to old habits, bitterness, or dishonesty and expect to live a life full of grace. A new life needs a new mindset, a heart of truth, humility, and purpose. For our soldiers, dependents, and members of the Philippine Army community, we face pressure, sometimes to cut corners, to keep quiet in the face of wrong, or to survive emotionally by hiding our struggles. But God calls us to something higher. Mental health is not only about emotional rest. It is also about spiritual and moral alignment. When we live in truth, when our values match our actions, we feel peace. That is what moral resilience is. Choosing what is right even when it is hard. And spiritual resilience is knowing that God walks with us, forgives us, and gives us strength to begin again. Let us be like new wineskins, ready to be filled with God's renewing spirit. Let us guard our minds, protect our hearts, and choose to live with integrity every day. And this is Salita ng Diyos, ang ating gabay. Manalangin tayo. Panginoon, sa gitna ng hamon at tukso, turuan mo kaming pumili ng katapatan. Bigyan mo kami ng bagong puso, pusong matatag, totoo, at bukas sa iyong biyaya. Sa mga sundalong naglilingkod at sa mga pamilyang nagsasakripisyo, ipadama mo ang iyong kapayapaan. Palitan mo ang aming pagod ng pag-asa, ang aming takot ng pananampalataya, at ang aming alinlangan ng bagong sigla. Naway mamuhay kami na may layunin, may dangal at may paninindigan para sa iyo, para sa aming pamilya at para sa bayan. Amen. At sumainyo at sa inyong pamilya ang pagpapala ng makapangyarihang Diyos, Ama, Anak at Espiritu Santo. Amen.